Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is going to be about some new add-ons added on to the Gmail application email client by Google that allows you to use or send certain tasks and send certain messages. Maybe you want to keep them separately out of Gmail or things in that sort like that. So you want to send them to different applications or different productivity apps, which you see on my screen right now. And there's one hidden gem, and I'm going to show you guys that hidden gem. It has something to do with Google's task application. But so no further ado, this is about opening up Gmail. So let's open it up. As you can see, this is my main home page of Gmail. A lot of bloat, a lot of deals, of just a lot of crap. All right. So and okay, that's just weird. How all of a sudden, oh, my fault, y'all. My fault. My fault. Let's get back into it. All right. So we gonna go into Expedia. All right. So just Expedia because I do work at a hotel and got partnerships with Expedia, third party companies anyway. So I've been had an Expedia account from back in the day, but just to show you like all the different partners Expedia has, different ways you can connect with them, and things in that sort. But I want to show you this all the way at the bottom. Now, as you can see, let me move this. Okay, down here when I'm moving that little arrow down here at the bottom, you see Todoist icon, Slack icon, Evernote icon, Box icon, and Dropbox icon. Now, these are basically add-ons to enhance your usage with Gmail, enhance with usage with email clients and things and that sort like that. So this is a partnership with Google and these companies. And basically, it's just to help you organize your emails a little bit more, or keep reminders in different applications, just in case you don't use Gmail that often, but you get emails from Gmail, so you want to send it, to another source. So you just basically, if this is what you want to keep, you want to, keep this email. You scroll down here, all right, and then you're gonna give it certain type of demands. You see, add email as a task, select project for Todoist. Um, Basically, it's just giving you what the content is about. You can set a due date. You can set tomorrow, next work day in a week. So that's what Todoist has to offer in the Gmail client and Gmail application. Also, if you have a Slack for work, all right, you can share your email, whether it's a task or a memo, things in that sort. You could share with your Slack team. Same thing with Evernote. You can send it through Evernote. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but okay. So you could save it to the notebook of your choice. You could tag it, have different tags and things in that sort. Also with Box application that I just showed you, shared links. If it's a link, you can share it through there. And of course, you got the Dropbox, and basically all your lists be found here. And these are some, interesting gems in the Gmail. You have to scroll down to the bottom of each email. So let's say I wanted to take out, Windows rewards. Got deals going on for the weekend escape. So I want to scroll all the way down. I want to save this to another application or another productivity app or client. Then you tap on either one of those. But of course, you got to have an account with each of them in order for this to work. So keep that in mind, because it's going to automatically ask you to sign in or set up an account with each of these applications and services, via. Now, here's the hidden gem with the Google Task application. All right, so you have to hit the menu bar. The little three dots up here at the top where I moved the little, thing. So at the very top, you want to tap on that. All right, so you got a choice to move the email to, a different folder, snooze it, So you want to come back to the email, mark as an important email, unsubscribe to this client or to this company, mute the email. You can print this off, revert auto sizing, report as a spam, add to tasks. Now, like I said, this is where that application comes in handy. So you want to send this to tasks, new task created, let's view. And boom, it's going to open up the Google Task application. And yeah, so you can see it, your task from Google Task via Gmail through the app. So like I said, I wanted this to be a productive day, productive Tuesday. That's what I call it. So I know everybody else thinking Taco Tuesday, but I wanted you all to, see how these applications work. Keeping it nice and smooth, productive, organized, things in that sort like that. And you can add as many tasks as you would like. As you can see, I already did a prime example to myself. I tested it out, and now I'm showing you guys how to stay productive and how to keep your emails and notes and everything organized via these applications and things in that sort. And let's go back up to the home screen. So like I said, these are 5 apps that are great companions with your Gmail. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know these apps were affiliate with the Gmail account, Google account? And yeah, what are your thoughts? How do you stay productive? How do you stay organized on your mobile devices, on your computers, things and that? So I think this is a really total different video. So let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. And yes, all of these applications are 100% full free. So go ahead, download it. I'll leave the links. I'll leave the names of the apps in the description box. All right, I'm out.